when you're wearing this thing, it's real. There's this tangible stuff. I just can't get over it still. Hopefully I never will. The kids will be like, "What the hell are you talking about, old man?" And I'll be like, "You don't understand, kids. There didn't used to be floating holograms."
So true. And it's funny because any of this kind of tech, it feels kind of immediately retro-futuristic.
Yeah, yeah,
It feels just looking back at the 20s and how they drew like spaceships and stuff. Like there's a little bit of like that really cute kind of feeling about our present. And I think it's because our heads are already in the future. Like we already are looking to sci-fi and into our own imaginations to think what's this future that we're going to build. And the stuff we have on hand, that's like the first steps towards getting there. Like we know it's just that, it's just the start. So I'm just totally so excited for the future. This is like, it's sometimes a little distracting to how advanced this technology really is,
yeah,
That's all I want to think about is like, wow, avatars one day really will, save us time. They'll save us plane tickets. They'll be a really meaningful way that we collaborate with people all the time. And, but in the meantime, it's so new. It's so cool,
yeah, yeah,
We
yeah.
gotta remember.
Yeah, it's just cool to have it exist. Yeah, then later on you can get I want all the features and da 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 and everything, but it's important to kind of
Exactly.
to stew in it too, I think as well. Yeah, so I mean, it's just yeah, I it's just kind of speechless a little bit sometimes too. We've just been having a conversation as avatars.